Welcome to Cooking with Reeve! Take two. Welcome to Cooking with Reeve. Today we're going to be making a chocolate peppermint smoothie. Let's get started. First I'm going to add my egg. Then we're going to add a half a cup of milk. Then we're going to add cocoa powder. Sorry, I just ate some of this cocoa powder. It tastes horrendous. Okay. That's gonna add 1 banana. Now, next, I'm gonna add peppermint extract and only 2 drops. You could always add more if you need it, but we're gonna start with 2 drops. Next, we're gonna add some Greek yogurt. I always like my yogurt to be mixed. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. And now I'm gonna add my yogurt. Next, hold the top. I can smell it. Very strong. This next part is gonna be very hard to try to get every bit of it. Just leave enough room. Very good. And now it's time to add my 3 special ingredients. So this part is gonna be very hard. So I'm gonna get a bag, then put your candy cane in it, and take like a spoon and smash it so it looks like little crumbs. Use 2 hands to make it very fine, like this. Now the special ingredients. Whipped cream. Oops. That's what I did before. Next, sprinkles. And here's the part where we're gonna add these in. Next, we're gonna put in our sprinkles. Choose 2 colors. I'm gonna choose green and red for Christmas colors. And to make it look even Christmassier, I'm gonna add these. We're just gonna drizzle it. Almost done. Just take a candy cane and stick it in. Now it's time to taste. This is my favorite part about the process. Very sweet, tasty, and very peppermint. Thanks for cooking with Reeve. Hope you have a happy holiday.